Tsuchinoko. This yokai has become quite the meme in Japan, often depicted as a stumpy snake shaped like a beer bottle. Fun fact, most Japanese love beer. So does this yokai. Well, likes alcohol in general. According to legends, Tsuchinoko can speak, but mostly tells lies. It's said that these are the most common yokai to find everywhere in Japan, except winter, because they like to hibernate like other animals. Unlike snakes, they have eyelids, and instead of slithering about, they can roll and tumble about sideways. 1 meter jump? No problem. They're so nimble that they can bite the end of their tail and roll around. It reminds me of Ouroboros and the hoop snake. There was a Tsuchinoko boom during the 1970s all over Japan, causing it to be hunted. A hefty reward awaits anyone who can provide a photograph or physical specimen to this day. Would you also look for a Tsuchinoko? Let us know in the comments.